Welcome back, Naughty Nation. Today I'm going to show you a really fun color technique. We call it the Rainbow Boa.
The Naughty Artisan.
So starting out, what I've done is I've got a whole bunch of brightly colored spray paints, wild and crazy. I didn't really pay attention to any color choice, color theory. I just wanted bright and vibrant. And we're going to cover this board randomly with all different colors and to see how it turns out. And as you can see, I am not paying any attention at all to where I'm putting any of these colors. I'm just spraying them on. Now this is a MDF board that I've primed with a bonding primer and just got it ready to pour. Let's just spread these out. Ooh, got some red up in here. Look at that. And last, Corey's favorite color, cotton candy pink. I just want some real bright, vibrant colors on there. All right, I think that's a good place to start. I'm gonna give this about 5 minutes for the spray paint to dry. All right, now that we've let our board dry, we've got this crazy colorful pattern. I'm gonna grab my handy dandy mixing cup out. Today we're using clear super gloss, our favorite. It's a 2x2 board, meaning we got 4 square feet. We like to do 3 ounces per square foot. 4 times 3 is 12. So we're gonna mix up a minimum of 12 ounces of epoxy for this piece. All right, I'll mix my resin up really, really well. All right, now that we got our epoxy mixed up, we're just gonna spread this clear epoxy out over this board. Just gonna use my hand. Evenly. Tab this out, make sure I don't have any surface tension. Gives me a little mix at the surface. Gets me ready for my next step. See right there, I got that little surface tension. Give it a little love, tap that out. Now we're covered with resin. So there's 2 things that you need for this effect. The first being 91% isopropyl alcohol. Make sure you're using 91% or higher, not less. We want it to hit our piece and then flash off. We don't want it sitting there. The rest that's in here is water, and water and epoxy don't play well together, so we're gonna keep that. The second piece is we are going to use gloss black Rust-Oleum spray paint. It's the only spray paint that I've found that does this. We've done it with others, doesn't mean that there isn't others. If you find one that does it for you, let us know. We'd love to hear and just drop it in the comments. But gloss black Rust-Oleum spray paint works the best on this. So here's what it's gonna do. I'm gonna shake up my spray paint real quick, and I'm gonna cover the entire surface of this with black. Just like that, I've completely blacked out the surface by spraying this black into the epoxy. Now I'm gonna take my 91% isopropyl alcohol. I'm gonna put it in my hands. I'm gonna mix it together and I'm gonna just spike it right into my epoxy. It's gonna, see that cool effect that it makes? It really breaks up our black. And I'm gonna take a look at it. I'm gonna get a little here, a little here. I like these big ones and these little ones. So I'm just gonna get a little on my hand, just like that, and do some smaller. I'm really hitting as hard as I can. I'm trying to push that alcohol into that black spray paint to create this effect. That's probably enough right there. I'm gonna let this set. We'll let the camera run for a few minutes and you'll see how it flows out. If you like the way it looks now, take a picture because it's not gonna last. All right, now that I've got the effect on here, I'm gonna let it move and spray, do its thing. You're gonna see it stretch out. It's gonna look like a colorful snakeskin or a rainbow boa. And then we'll come back and top coat this tomorrow. Okay, if you've enjoyed this video on how to make rainbow boa, we don't ask for any money, but we do ask for 3 things. We ask you to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and ring that bell so you're the first to hear about our new videos.
The naughty artisan. The naughty artisan.
All 3 recording clap. Da. Da, da, da. There you go. Are we ready? You're ready. Let's do this. Pause. Welcome back, Naughty Nation. Today I'm going to show you a really, really fun technique. We call it snakeskin boa. No, that's not what we call it. We call it rainbow boa.
You did not have permission to use that in the reel.
No. Bad Corey. All right, here we go, ready. Welcome back, everybody. Shit. Welcome back, Naughty Nation. You want to pause that?
Scrouching is the one you look at.
I don't scrouch. I crouch. Like a lion. Or is it tiger? It's crouching tiger, isn't it? Oh, dang it. Just made a little work for Corey.